Do you know what is the fastest growing job title in tech? AI engineer. But the skills that get you hired have completely shifted in the last 12 months. Prompt engineering, basic API calls, simple RAG demos. That's not the bar anymore. That's the baseline. So what do companies actually look for when they hire AI engineers? Well, people who can build autonomous agents, implement MCP, which is the open standard that's become the connective tissue between AI systems and the real world, and deploy RAG pipelines that hold at scale with evals to prove it. That's it. That's the gap. And every course that I'm about to show you in this video is designed to close that gap. So stick around. Now, before we start talking about my main course picks, I want to talk to you about something else. Some of you are in different places. You're a developer who write Python every day and just want to layer AI on top of it. Some of you are data scientists who already know machine learning and want to move into AI engineering roles. And some of you are earlier in the journey. So you're curious about the field, but not sure where to even begin. The starting point is different for each of you, and trying to skip ahead usually means getting lost and giving up. Now, this is where DataCamp's AI tracks are genuinely useful as a foundational layer. So if you're completely new and not yet comfortable with LLMs or Python, DataCamp's AI fundamentals track is the first thing I would suggest you take. It's 10 hours of plain English. It covers generative AI and AI ethics. No coding required. It builds the mental model before anything else makes sense. If you're a developer who codes but is new to AI, the Associate AI Engineer for Developers track is perfect for you. 26 hours, it's 9 courses. You will build chatbots and semantic search engines using the OpenAI API, LangChain, Hugging Face, and Pinecone. What sets it apart is the LLM ops coverage, safe deployment, monitoring, rate limiting. These are areas most engineering courses skip entirely. An independent reviewer who compared 30 plus AI courses scored it at 8.7 out of 10 and called it the most job-ready course in this space. Now, if you're coming from data science world, the Associate AI Engineer for Data Scientist track picks up where your ML knowledge leaves off. Fine-tuning, Llama 3, LangChain integrations, ML flow for experiment tracking, automation, testing. It fills the specific gaps between I understand the models and I can deploy and maintain them in production. And what I love about this course in DataCamp is the learning experience is very interactive. You learn with hands-on coding or AI exercises and applying your new skills with real-life projects. Now, I have to say that I've used DataCamp myself for several years, and so I can really confirm this platform is worth it. Think of these as your foundational layers, and they're not on the main list because they are prerequisites. The structured starting point that makes the free platforms that I'm about to show you actually sticks. Now, links are all in the description. Now, let's get into the main picks. Number 3 is LangChain Academy. It is free, it is built by the LangChain team directly, and genuinely essential if you're building production agents in 2026 or beyond. Now, here's why this made my list. LangGraph is showing up in the majority of AI engineer job postings right now. If you are building anything beyond a simple chatbot, multi-step workflows, stateful agents, human-in-the-loop systems, you are going to be working with LangGraph. So you might as well learn it from the team that actually built it. The flagship course is Introduction to LangGraph, which covers state graphs, tool use, memory, and multi-agent systems across 6 solid modules. But the one I would point you to first is the newest edition, Deep Agents. It's designed for complex, long-running tasks. The enterprise use cases that's actually getting deployed in production environments right now, not just described in tutorials. And then there's the Langsmith for agent development, which fills a gap that most platforms don't touch. What is that? It's observability and evaluation. How you monitor agent behavior once it's actually live in production. That is the difference between shipping an agent and actually running one. So a lot of courses teach you the first thing, which is shipping. Almost none teach you the second, which is how do you maintain them. If you came through the data camps developer track and want to go deeper on the agents specifically, this is the natural next step. Completely free. Number 2 is deeplearning.ai, but not as a single course, as a deliberately assembled stack. Now, the mistake that I see constantly made is someone recommends one deeplearning.ai course and calls it done. The real move is to treat this platform as a modular library and build yourself a targeted curriculum from it. So here's what I mean by that. Andrew Ng's platform now has over 150 short courses, each one 2 hours, co-created with actual builders of these tools. Anthropic, OpenAI, LangChain, Google, NVIDIA, Microsoft. Because the courses are made by the tool teams themselves, there's an authority here that third-party courses cannot replicate. You're not learning someone's interpretation of how LangChain works. You're actually learning from the people who built LangChain. For an AI engineer, here's the specific 4-course stack that I have built from deeplearning.ai. So start with Agentic AI, which is taught by Andrew Ng himself, covers reflection, tool use, planning, and multi-agent patterns. This gives you the mental model, the function, the foundation that everything else builds upon. Then you have MCP, build rich context AI apps with Anthropic. Now, because MCP is now becoming a huge part of job descriptions as a hard requirement and not a nice to have, this is an important course. Then there's Agent Memory, building memory-aware agents. Now, this launched just now in March 2026 and introduces what Andrew Ng is calling memory engineering as the next discipline beyond prompt engineering. And finally, evaluating AI agents, because production quality without evals is just hoping that things will work. Now, 8 to 10 hours total across these 4 courses. They are all free, and it maps almost perfectly to what's appearing in 2026 job descriptions right now. The memory engineering framing is the part I find genuinely interesting here. The idea that turning a stateless LLM into something that actually learns and adapts over time isn't just about better prompts, it's about designing memory architectures, persistent memory, episodic memory, semantic memory. That's what separates a demo from a deployed production system. I've written a blog on memories and the types of memories in AI agents. I'll link that up here and also in the description. Number 1 is Hugging Face Learn. And I want to spend a bit more time because this platform doesn't get the credit that it deserves, in my opinion. Most people know Hugging Face as the place where you go to find and host models. What's less well known is that their educational platform is legitimately excellent. Completely free, it's kept aggressively current and built by the people who are actually shipping the tools again. And I would recommend taking all 3. Number 1 is the Agent course. Over 100,000 students, community driven and updated continuously. You learn how to build agents using small agents, Hugging Face's own lightweight agent framework, as well as a LangGraph and Llama Index. That's a full unit on Agentic RAG, which is how you build agents that retrieve and reason over live dynamic data rather than just static documents. You also learn tracing and evaluation, the production mindset that most agent courses ignore entirely. Now, there's a free certificate with 2 tracks here. One for fundamentals, if you want to get up to speed on the latest agent patterns, and the other one is for full completion, if you want to do the hands-on assignments and final challenge. Both are real credentials that you can share on LinkedIn. The second course here is the MCP course, and here's what makes this interesting. One of the instructors is an engineer from Anthropic, the team that actually invented MCP. So you're really getting the protocol taught by someone who works at the organization that designed MCP. The course covers architectures, core concepts, and hands-on building with real-world project assignments. Now, free certificate is included in this one as well. Now, my third choice here is the LLM course. This one has been around much longer. It covers the full Hugging Face ecosystem, the transformers library, fine-tuning, deployment, and now includes advanced modules on building reasoning models. Now, if you want to actually understand what's inside these models rather than just calling an API, if you want to go from I can use LLMs to I understand LLMs, this is where that happens. What I appreciate most about all three of these courses is that Hugging Face team builds the tools and then teaches what they actually do with them. Now, here's the visual I want you to take away. Think it's a pyramid, not a list. Start with your foundation, data camp for beginners or developer needing Python AI basics. It builds the vocabulary that you need to progress. Then move to the framework depth, which is your LangChain Academy for agents and production observability. And for specialized skills, deeplearning.ai, Stack for MCP, memory, and evaluation. Then you reach the top, which is Hugging Face for open source fluency and practitioner level depth. So don't just pick one course, build this layered stack for yourself, start where you are and build at each level. Now, if you liked this video, I'm sure you're going to like some of my other videos on AI engineering here. I'll see you there.